Thin slices. So, in case of any of you might not know, there are different forms of the element carbon that are out there. Some you are already familiar with. There's graphite, which what makes up pencil lead. So there's no actual lead in pencil lead. And then there's the most stable form of carbon that we know, which is diamond. So the hardest material in the universe that we know of so far. Probably like 8 years ago or so, when by mistake, and this often happens in science, is stuff gets discovered by mistake. Another form of carbon known as graphene was discovered. Found that it actually had really good thermal properties, and it had really good electrical conductivity. Graphene became this new material that people are looking into. It's made up of the same stuff that I was describing to you. It's a long, thin sheet, individual sheets of carbon that eventually get until they're about it's probably like a half a millimeter thick or so. Describing earlier how it had really good thermal properties. Well, all that's happening here is the ice knife is, well, I affectionately call it the ice knife. It's taking thermally the heat from my body, and what happens is that heat gets transferred through the carbon lattice of the graphene to the ice. So that heat gets transferred to the ice, enabling me to cut through it. So after a little while, the graphene starts to feel a little cool, starts to cool with my fingers, but as long as you supply the heat, you can cut the ice.